Welcome to this in-depth exploration of open source and closed source software with Manabu. In this video, we'll delve into the characteristics, advantages, and drawbacks of these two software development models. Be sure to like the video if you found this information helpful. Part 1: Understanding Open Source Software. Definition of open source. Open source software is built collaboratively by a community of developers, and its source code is freely accessible, editable, and distributable to anyone. Transparency and collaboration. Open source projects encourage transparency, allowing developers worldwide to collaborate, improve, and customize the software to meet diverse needs. Examples of open source software. Examples include the Python programming language, the Linux operating system, the web browser Mozilla Firefox, the database management system MySQL, the web server Apache, and the Office suite LibreOffice. Part 2: The benefits of open source software. Cost effectiveness. Open source software is typically free to download and use, making it an attractive option for individuals and organizations with budget constraints. Customizability and flexibility. Users can modify the source code to tailor the software to their specific requirements, enabling unmatched flexibility. Security and community audits. With the code accessible to a large community, vulnerabilities can be quickly identified and fixed, enhancing security. Part 3: Drawbacks and challenges of open source software. Learning curve. Customizing open source software may require technical expertise, making it challenging for beginners. Lack of official support. While vibrant communities often offer support, some projects might not have dedicated customer service or official technical assistance. Part 4: Closed source software explained. Definition of closed source. Closed source software, also known as proprietary software, is developed by a single entity, and its source code is not available to the public. License restrictions. Closed source software is distributed under specific licenses, often with limitations on usage, modification, and redistribution. Examples of closed source software. Popular examples include Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, Autodesk AutoCAD, Apple Mac OS, and many commercial video games. Part 5: Advantages and disadvantages of closed source software. Vendor support. Closed source software typically comes with dedicated vendor support, offering technical assistance and regular updates. Limited customization. Users cannot modify the source code, limiting customization options compared to open source software. Licensing costs. Closed source software might require purchasing licenses, which can be a significant expense for businesses. Part 6: The power of choice. Finding the best fit. The decision between open source and closed source software depends on individual needs, preferences, and the specific use case. Embracing both. Many developers and organizations strike a balance by utilizing a mix of open source and closed source solutions. Open source and closed source software each have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Embracing a combination of both can empower you to create, innovate, and thrive in the dynamic world of technology. Subscribe to Manabu to learn on the daily.